Industrial boiler rental. Types, considerations, and benefits. This video provides all you will need to know about boiler rentals and their importance. You will learn: what is a boiler rental? Reasons for renting a boiler. The types of boiler rentals. How to choose the correct rental boiler. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding boiler rentals. Chapter 2. Why might someone choose to rent an industrial boiler? Supplemental capacity. Emergency situations. Reduced downtime. Cost effectiveness. Additional considerations when renting industrial boilers. Chapter 3. What is a boiler? Parts of an industrial boiler. Burner. Combustion chamber. Heat exchanger. Steam drum. Mud drum. Boiler classifications. Fire tube industrial boilers. Water tube industrial boilers. Electric industrial boilers. Condensing industrial boilers. Oil industrial boilers. Natural gas industrial boilers. Frequently asked questions. What are the main reasons to rent an industrial boiler? How quickly can a rental boiler be installed and operational? What are the key components of an industrial boiler system? How do industrial boiler rentals minimize downtime? How does choosing the right type of rental boiler impact compliance and efficiency? What factors should local industrial facilities consider before renting a boiler? Chapter 4. What are the different types of rental boilers? Water tube boilers. Skid-mounted rental industrial boilers. Trailer-mounted industrial boiler. Mobile industrial boiler rooms. Hot oil industrial boiler. Electric rental industrial boilers. Chapter 5. What should I consider when planning to use an industrial rental boiler? Location. Connections. Startup. Chapter 6. What are the top industrial boiler rental companies? In-deck boiler rentals. Power mechanical. Wabash Power Equipment Company. Nationwide Boilering. Smith Hughes. Chapter 7. What are the guidelines for renting industrial boilers? Chapter 8. What are the disadvantages of renting an industrial boiler? Cost. Outdated equipment. Right size. Emissions. Noise. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right industrial boiler rental providers for your needs.